Hi friends, I am Sujay Chaudhary from OCS Kolkata. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to bring you a very special video. You will find students live from Australian University campus. You will be able to understand how they are studying in the campus and what they are doing during this COVID-19. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. You will get a lot of information out of this video. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Today we are joined with one of our students, Mr. Abhilash Pratihar. He is from Kolkata and he is now studying in Australia. So let's listen to him, what he is facing in the COVID-19 and what does he like in Australia. So welcome Abhilash, and really thank you very much to give your time and talking to us. Basically this will help a lot of Indian students or even students from Bangladesh and Nepal and Pakistan. It will really help them to take the decision. So Abhilash, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I really want to thank you too for your time. Thanks for calling me and just ask me to give this kind of session. That will be helpful. I'm also honored to be here. Thank you very much.
Okay. So Abhilash, this is a small, interview kind of thing, so that I know everything about you. So actually, this will help the students. So can you please tell me, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm basically from Kolkata. Currently, I'm studying in University of Wollongong. So, as you know, I've done my schooling from class 10 from the state board as well as my 12. After that, I've done my engineering from the Techno India Salt Lake there. I've done engineering in mechanical engineering there. And after that, I've my 2 years of work experience in TCS. Have you heard of the Tata Consultancy Service? I've worked in the Kolkata branch for almost 2.5 years there. So after that, it's been always in my mind to pursue MS, but it was not happening for quite long. But somehow I managed to do so. So I've gone through several consultancy and hopefully I've come through SC Overseas, and especially you, Mr. Sujay Chaudhary. So that have guided me really well. So what I really want to say that I'm really here right now. I'm studying with one of the topmost university of the Australia. So I'm really grateful for you for guiding me on my long journey to here. I really want to appreciate that.
Okay, thank you. And you are from Kolkata. So what is your parents' occupation? What do they do?
Actually my father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker actually.
Okay, so you told me that you have visited a few consultancies in Kolkata and you liked us the most. So I really say thank you to you for having trust on us. And Abhilash, have you taken any kind of loan before going to Australia?
Yeah, it's been not a proper educational, I would say. I have gone through some personal loan.
So that means you have taken education loan. You have taken loan to study in Australia.
Yeah, I've taken some amount of loan, and it was not very difficult as the university was reputed, and it was quite an easy procedure. Actually, I didn't face any that kind of hectic regarding my loan situation, so it's been all good.
And just tell me about your admission process to the university. Have you applied directly, or we have guided you in every step?
Yeah, that was a very long process actually. I still remember the day. It's almost took over a month, not over a month. It's been a long procedure, but every step you guided us, especially you. Personally, I've been in your office many times, as I remember, still doing office and to your office. It's been quite a journey. So I really want to appreciate you for guiding me as well. You have personally taken the responsibility for my admission, and I really want to thank you. It's always not been a professional for you guys. What I really love about SC Overseas is that it's not always about the professional. They just don't only send the students to the university just like that. They take the full responsibility and guide us accordingly what will be best for us and what is really good for us. They really give you the proper information and the good information, which is really helpful, because if you are going abroad for the first time, you are really null, you don't know about anything. But it's really helpful when a organization comes to your guide and really guide you as you should follow, and that's really helpful for me, and I am really grateful for you for helping me out of that. I really want to
How
thank you for
difficult
that.
was it to get the visa?
For me, fortunately, it was I got my visa almost in 7 to 10 days, if I still remember. I applied on 19th of 19th or 20th of January, and I got mine on 30th. So it was easy, I guess. For me, it was really short time.
So only the SOP you have made, and rest is done by OCS.
Yeah. So most of the process done by ACS is just the basic information. If you provide, I have provided my personal details and everything, and obviously you have some really good staffs working out there who have really prepared that well, and I didn't face that much of difficulty, to be frank, actually.
Okay. And what about after reaching Australia? Have you received any help from any kind of student? I mean, any of students of our consultancy?
Yeah. For the accommodation was one of the thing I was really concerned about, because I was looking for some online accommodation, but as you guided, one of your students was studying the bachelor's in University of Wollongong, and she really helped me regarding that. The very first week or first 2 weeks, I really stayed in their apartment. She has helped me with their accommodation, and really want to thank you for personally reaching to her and just contacting me with that, so that I'd get accommodation and not face that much difficulty in the very beginning of my visit to this country, because it has been quite difficult. I have been finds most of my friends been difficult. They have searched, Airbnb or some kind of thing. It's been quite expensive in the very beginning. You don't know that much of the place, you lack of experience. So for the very beginning, if someone is still there, they can guide you. So for me, I almost stayed in their apartment for 3 weeks, and after that, she also helped me that what is the paid and cheap accommodation for that. So currently, I stayed in that kind of accommodation.
So that the first day you came to my office with your parents, actually, with your father actually. So
Yeah.
we promised that from admission till accommodation we will help you, and so you are saying that we did that, and
Yeah.
did we charge anything from you guys for doing accommodation, and is there any hidden charges were involved for the entire process, or it was very smooth?
No. That, to be very frank, that was no hidden charges. It was being clear cut meant that this amount of payment will be charges, and that's for all the admission. Apart from that, nothing. And that's the best part about AC Overseas. I have find out the most of good, cause it's not about professionalism. They just don't want to send students like a professional. They always took matter personally, and especially you, I really want to thank, because you have really guided me from the very basic core information about the weather, culture, and the university, the subject you are studying, which would be good. Everything I provide the very details. It makes more personal than the professional, which I really like about this AC Overseas.
And what is the subject that you are pursuing over there?
Yeah, currently I'm pursuing Masters in Business, Supply Chain and Project Management, 2020 intake.
Okay. So, how do you like your university? How big is the campus?
Yeah, for me, actually, I've never been this type of campus, and it's really honor. It's a really big campus for sure, but one bad part of that, I've managed to be in the campus for 2 months hardly, because because of the current situation has been completely going online. So somehow I managed my first half of the first trimester here in the campus. It's been really good. I mean, it's whatever you say, very student friendly, one of the highly recommended university in Australia. And if you just come here, the first day I came here, the facilities here are just too overwhelming. They provide almost every facilities there. I mean, the library especially, I'm just outside the library right now. So what I really want to
Can we have a look on the library? I know it's closed now.
Yeah, it's closed. I just can't show you from the, this is the part I'm standing right now. This is the communication center where our orientation has been happened on the very first week, what you say. and right now in the very beginning, and there's the library. There's a small cafe around. It's a library. It's currently closed right now, but it's the best of its kind. You can get for the facility. They are 24/7 open, and any kind of help, any kind of guidance, they always staff been there, and they are ready to help you. And you can get whatever you want. I want to say this is most of us actually. I came here to study for longer hours. It's better than your home or any kind of places. It's so quiet and so facilities are there. You can study here anytime you want. It's been open 24/7, and this is the best place of the university, as you can see. And this has been the campus, but this is the library, as you can see. It's really huge than you can imagine, and
Okay.
really nice.
Okay. So, I mean, how do you choose this university? I mean, what has influenced you to go to this university?
Yeah, especially I was, as I know, I've been planning for doing my masters for quite a long, but Australia was not really my first priority. I was looking for the US, but somehow I'm going through your agency, and you guys have guided me really well. So that why you guided that Australia would be one of the best destination for right now for the students, and you have guided me about that university because I have also done my research regarding that. The EOW, especially in Australia, is a government university, one of the highly recommended university. I've done my research also. Obviously, I was not gonna just take a random courses just to come out doing my MS. So I really did my research, and here I am with the degree I'm doing, and I really like. I don't feel any regression regarding my choosing of subjects or the university because the facilities I have got, it's really wonderful, and the education is quite quality education. I really appreciate it. It's been a good.
And have you met any other students of our consultancy in Sydney and in other places?
Yeah, I've been Sydney on the very second week also. I've met some of your students as you just guided me that to reach out to them. I've also come in contact with them, and they're also studying there, doing their bachelor's, some of their masters, and they're quite happy. They are quite happy about the selection, and they are doing well. I hope they are doing well. I wish them all the very best.
Do you recommend other students about OCS Kolkata?
Yeah, obviously I'll highly recommend it because the best thing about SC Overseas, I can say they will guide you personally. They won't make you just like they will take your full responsibility from study to accommodation and each and every details, visa and everything, and that will be really helpful for a student just coming up to bachelor's or class 10 or somehow maybe 12. They're not very experienced, so you guys, what you've done with the complete guidance, that what should be done, how it should be done, there's a complete guidance in that is really helpful for any kind of students who are making a big journey to the overseas. So I highly recommend it because that's been a great, for me especially, I really appreciate it, and obviously I will tell my other friends to go through the SC consultancy. It will be very good for them.
And so the one good thing is that the lady who has provided you the accommodation, her age is hardly 19, I believe. She is from Kolkata. She went to this university just last year in 2019 as undergraduate student.
Yeah. She's been. I'm doing masters and also have a 2 years experience, so I've been still manageable. But after doing a bachelor's, coming to Australia, it's been a long process, and obviously she has also told me about you that the proper guidance you have given, and that's really helpful for her too. Also, I mean, it's really appreciable.
And what about the post COVID-19? I believe Australia is going towards zero COVID-19. So yesterday I had a word with few students in Sydney. They are not using mask for the last, say, 2.5 months.
Yeah. Actually, Australia has been taking measures for pretty sure because of the population. Been one advantage I can say that. I mean, right now in Sydney there's no cases. Maybe some, but not that much. But we are safe here. But for the precaution being, it's been online. I guess for a couple of months it's been going online. So we're doing online classes by Zoom or something like that. But total on-campus facilities is currently off, but they are thinking about starting some roster kind of system. They're doing an online survey or something from the students, what are the subjects we will be looking for, so that they can manage if there's more of the students, so they can provide some, in roster system they will allow students to come into campus and doing the lab or alternative weeks. So that's been in a consultation. It's not been finalized yet, but right now it would be safe, but to be precautionary measure, they are not allowing their students to come all offline classes, but the facilities are always open. From the library, the consultation with the teacher, it's always open, so they really welcome us to come anytime, and we just come here if we really want it.
Okay, okay. So I've been several times to this campus. I can remember where you are working from, and it takes usually 2.5 hours for me to move around all the campus. It's really very big. Have you visited the cricket ground, football ground, and the Olympic pool of your campus?
Yeah, I have just for this very meeting only, I have just taken a safe position just behind the library. That would be good, because it's been a big campus to cover. Right now it's almost 4:30, so most of the part is the inside building is closed, but the ground and every facility is quite fascinating. If we just gone through that, it's very huge. It's not possible for me to cover right now, if you can say, but it's really huge.
Okay, so I believe you are liking Australia.
Yeah, obviously the people are nice, the weather is nice. It's unpredictable. Most of the time it is rain, but it's quite comfortable to be weather, and it's a good place to study. Whatever you say, for the students and the international students to come here long abroad. Australia is what I can say, it's a very good destination to be sure. And the university, of course, I don't regret. It's been a good university, and it's been nice to hear actually whatever.
Okay. So thank you for your time. I won't take much time from your precious time. So just what I can say, study well, make your career, and of course that now Wollongong city gives you 1 year extra post-study work permit. So that means you will get 3 years of post-study work permit after completion of your masters. So from OCS Kolkata, we wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you.
And any last thing that you say to anyone?
Also want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my thoughts, and really appreciate. And whatever I want to say, I really want to thank SC Overseas, and especially you, Mr. Shuja Chaudhary, for guiding me personally each and every step regarding my entire admission process. It's been a long journey, but obviously I faced some difficulties regarding some situation, but you were always there for me as a guide. So I get proper guidance, and I really highly recommend SC Overseas for your proper guidance and the proper information. Whatever you say, just proper information and proper guidance. It's really good for you guys, and I really recommended SC Overseas for any kind of students who are want to pursue their masters abroad. So I really want to thank you guys.
Okay. Thank you, Abhilash, for your time. Take care.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.